Do you love crispy fried foods but feel guilty about all the excess oil and fat that comes with it? I admit, I do love my fried chicken, crispy pork belly, French fries, you name it, it's really delicious. But let's face it, it's not the healthiest when you need to use a ton of oil to prepare those dishes. But what if there's actually an alternative way to enjoy the juiciness and crispiness that you want without the unhealthy excess oil and fat? What's up guys, it's April once again, and today I'm very ecstatic to talk about the Philips Digital Twin TurboStar XXL Air Fryer with fat removal technology. This amazing air fryer will surely change the way you prepare fried dishes, so stay tuned because we're going to explore all of these amazing features that makes it one of the best air fryers you can own. As always, the product link will be posted in the description below so you can check for the pricing and availability. The Philips Digital Twin TurboStar XXL Air Fryer with fat reduction technology is the only air fryer in the market, as the name suggests, with fat reduction technology that reduces and captures excess fat. This air fryer will give you that fried goodness using little to no oil, plus it reduces fat by up to, are you ready? 90%. Wow, this is such an amazing feature, guys. That means you don't have to feel guilty anymore for that fried chicken. With this technology, once you're done cooking, you can pour out the excess extracted oil from the bottom of the machine. It uses patented heat to quickly fry food to golden brown perfection, and with its 3-pound capacity, you can quickly prepare dishes for up to 6 people. What's more is, unlike ovens and other air fryers out there in the market, it doesn't need any preheating time, so it's ready to use in seconds and you can start cooking right away. Oh, and did I also mention that it has a multi-cooking technology? With this Philips air fryer, you can bake, grill, roast, toast, reheat, and even dehydrate food. I really have to say that this is more than just an air fryer, and it's totally worth the investment for your kitchen because it can replace all of those other smaller appliances such as the griller or the turbo roaster, making it a one-stop solution for most of your cooking needs. It also comes with a neat digital display and comes with the 5 preset programs for the most popular foods such as fried chicken. I also love the fact that this air fryer creates less smell and splatter when frying foods. I love to cook, so I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, but one of the things that I dislike the most is when the smell of food clings onto my hair and my clothes and generally inside the house. And a lot of times, even when I open the kitchen window, the smell just tends to stay inside, especially when you're frying foods such as fish. I remember there was one time I had fried a type of fish that was so smelly that I had to wash even my beddings because it smelled like fish. With this machine, you don't have to worry anything about that because it creates less smell and splatter. You can also equip this product with a variety of accessories such as the Pizza Master Accessory Kit or the Baking Master Accessory Kit, so it's really easy to make use of all its function, making it a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs in the kitchen. Cleaning this machine is also easy because it comes with a dishwasher-safe removable parts and an easy-to-clean basket. If you love fried foods, choose the healthier option to enjoy your favorite meal, and you simply can't go wrong with this air fryer. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and again, as a reminder, I will be posting the product link on the description below so you can check the pricing and availability. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we will get back to you. And as well, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.